So today I will be showing you what am I doing with my hands, girl. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this early fall look. Every girl is obsessed with fall, and just like every girl, I am obsessed with fall. Fall is probably every girl's favorite season. Everything about fall is just amazing. Cinnamon, pumpkin, anything that has to do with the smell of fall. It's not that cold, it's not that hot, it's just like the perfect weather. And I love Halloween. I've always loved Halloween, so there's a lot to look forward to. Thanksgiving, and I know girls look forward to doing fall looks and outfits and stuff, so it's the perfect time to be posting a lot of tutorials. So I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for
Alright guys, let's get started. So to prep my eyes, I'm using Soft Orchard from MAC, and I fuck with this Yeyelovee. This stuff is amazing. It makes your eyeshadow stay on all day, and really a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to apply so much. This stuff is really sticky, so if you apply so much, it's gonna feel too much. You just need a little bit, and right here I'm just applying it on both of my eyelids.
I'll be using Modern Renaissance, and the first color that I will be applying is gonna be Raw Sienna, and I'm gonna use this as my crease color.
Okay, so I forgot to mention that I'm gonna be talking throughout the video, but also doing voiceover. Just wanted to try something new. So anyways, moving on, I'm gonna be grabbing the color Cypress Umber from the Modern Renaissance palette and applying this on the outer part of your eyelid on both sides.
Going in with, hold on, I want to make sure I'm not using the same one. I will be going in with Subculture. This is a different palette, and I'm using Fudge, and just applying a little bit right here in the middle.
Okay guys, so I switched over to the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using the color Riogar and patting this color on in the middle of my eyelid. It's an orangey color, so it kind of reminds me of just the leaves. It's really pretty. I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and with a precise brush, I'm just going to grab a little bit of this product and applying it on the inner corner of my eyelid. This stuff is amazing whenever you are using bright colors. It makes it stand out more because it's white, and it's also very sticky.
So I will be taking the Subculture palette, and I'm going to be using Edge to apply it on the inner corner of my eye.
Okay, so that yellow was not bright enough, so I'm going in with the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm going to be using this yellow color, and it's a little bit more brighter, and it's also glittery. I don't think you can see it on the video, but it's such a pretty color, and I'm going to be applying this on top of that yellow. And I'm going to be going back with the orange color and just tapping more on in the middle. Next, I'm just going back with the brush and just blending it all out because blending is key, guys. Okay, so now I'm doing my eyeliner, and this is from NYX. Your eyeliner does not have to be perfect the first time. Keep on trying, keep on practicing, and honestly, if you mess up, you can go back and clean it. It's not a big deal. And for this look, I'm not gonna go all the way with my eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply the product in the middle of my eye because later I will be using a different eyeliner. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild metallic liquid eyeliner, and this I am gonna apply on top of the black eyeliner and as if I was doing my regular eyeliner.
So we got our falsies done. I love this stuff because it makes your face super soft when you apply it, and it makes it easier for your foundation to be applied. Like I said, it just makes it really soft and smooths out the foundation. It's just awesome.
Before applying foundation, I'm spraying the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I spray about 5 times. It makes my face feel super refreshed and it smells so good. For foundation, I'm using Infallible L'Oreal Pro Matte. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger and then using a brush to blend it all out. For concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. I'm obsessed with this concealer. It's literally the best. And I'm going to be using a brush to apply it and blend it all out. I'm using the NYX powder to apply this on top of my concealer and locking it all in. To bronze my face, I'm using Hoola from Benefit, and I'm going to be applying this on my cheekbone and also a little bit on my forehead to give it that contour look. I'm going back with the NYX powder and applying this at the bottom of my cheekbone. When you remove it, it gives that perfect cheekbone that you never had, girl. So I got you. I'm using blush, and blush is very much needed because under that bad bitch face that you got going on, you still want to smirk and be like, I'm innocent and cute. Highlight cannot be forgotten when we're getting ready for fall. We are showing the world that we are glowing, we are ready, and we want our pumpkin spice latte. At the bottom of my eyes, I'm going back with the same colors and applying this in the same order. I'm applying eyeliner and I'm grabbing the bottom of my eye with a sponge. It just helps to not mess up with your makeup and your concealer and all the work you just did, girl. So we are done baking, okay? Time is up. Remove it all and blend it all out. And girl, your cheekbones are there. I apply about 3 coats on my bottom lashes. This step is not needed, but I just love to do it and I'm so used to it. For lips, I'm going in with a nude color from NYX, and this is one of my favorite lipsticks. It feels super soft and honestly this color is just beautiful. To finish the look, I'm spraying my face and girl, you are ready for fall. Go to Starbucks, get you some coffee and bring me some back. Bye.